Hello everyone, today is our third lecture. So in this lecture we will going to learn about basic Linux commands. So first we will start with man. Basically, it displays the manual page for a commands. Basically, like you have a ls command, so you can see all these commands manual pages by typing like man ls. So you will going to see manual pages for ls. If you want to see a cd manuals, so you can use like man cd, so it will give you a manual pages. Now comes to second cd. Cd command is used for change the current working directory. So we will one by one going to learn and do a practical. So let me show this, just like I have already told you about. One second. Okay, what is it? Yeah, so this is the terminal. So we will going to see the manual page of like ls command. Okay, so you just need to do man ls. So here you can see this ls commands manuals. This is a ls minus list, synopsis, descriptions. So you can see all those pages, like how we will going to use, what happen if we'll use like a minus I, minus k, minus l, minus h, minus m. These all are already written. Like, let me explain you this also. Minus b, e file g, okay, l. So this inode minus l, what is it, is used for long listing format. So just quit this and just do ls minus l. So you can see it is a long form, so it is already there. Like, let me open one more terminal. Okay, and here we will see all this. Yeah, see this mandatory argument, and this is minus a, minus v, and this like minus h. It will show you human readable form. So coming to this terminal, so here you can't like these numbers are not readable for you, so we just need to do ls minus l h. So now this is in a human readable form. Okay, so using this manual you can explore all these commands, like for what type. Okay, which argument you can use with, and whatever you want is like minus a. So it will, what it will do, it will do not ignore entire starting with dot says, like it will show you all this hidden file also. Okay, like just like ls minus a. So you can see this dot and double dot, it is a hidden file. If we do ls, then you can't see this dot cache dot config. So basically minus a will show you all these hidden folders or hidden files also. So that is this, like a. So you will do not ignore entirely starting with a dot. Okay, so you can explore this. So using manual we can explore, like if we use a cd command. Okay, for this manual entry is not present, like man cat, think for this it will be, yeah. So cat, it is used to like concatenate the files and print the standard outputs. Basically it is used to print the, okay, let me quit this. Okay, so basically if you want to read any files content, you can use a cat. Like I have a, I want to read a new dot java file content. Okay, just need to do this cat. So basically cat will display you all this content present in this file. So you can see all these arguments here present. So all minuses number equals. So you can explore this command using this attributes basically. So if you want to explore any commands if you want to explore, you just do man that command, so you will get all this information. Okay, let comes to second commands. So cd is basically used to change the current working directory, like okay, sorry, okay, where is it? Yeah, we are here. So basically if we want to change any directory, like currently we are in this, so let me like this. Okay, so we are in this directory, home directory. Okay, now we want to go to our desktop. Okay, so just do cd desktop and you will be on a desktop. Yeah, there is a what is the folder or a file is it. If you want to come back to that folder, that previous directory, just cd dot dot. If you want to go back to back, like to back, you just slash dot back. You are in a root directory. So basically using that you can go to any directory, like here this is, we are in a root directory basically. So now we have to go to like cd home, we got ls. Now you want to go to cd, this every user has their own okay own directory. So this is, go to this. Yeah, so now we are in our original directory. So basically the second command is to change the current directory. Now cat is I have already explained you, cat is used to display the content of a file. Now less is basically used to display the content of a file and search for a word, like let me give you a practical. So okay, let me first explain you the creating commands for creating any files. So the one is touch. Okay, using touch command you can create any file, like file dot txt. So it will create here in that in the current directory. So you can see the file dot txt is present here. But now you want to write something in this file, so you just need to use vi file dot txt. So what vi command is do, like if file dot txt is not present, so it will create it and open it. If it is present, then it will just open it and you can write. So for writing this, you just need to first come to insert mode. So you just need to write I, and then you have to write like hi, I am good. You can write anything and that's it. I am, how are you, that's it. Okay, now I will just okay, yeah, now I will be save this. If you want to see the file content of file, I have already explained you, cat using cat command you can see the content of this file. So you can see hi, I am good, how are you. Okay, so they basically for creating any file you can use vi or a touch. Basically touch will only create a file, it will not allow to write in a file. You have to use vi. But what vi will do, it will do both things. Like I will do the, you can see here the file there is a no file one.txt. I will create now some like random.txt. Okay, random.txt. There is another, yeah. So what vi will do, it will, if this it will first search in this that current working directory. Like if this random.txt is present, then it will just open it, but if it is not present, then it will create a new file. Okay, so you just need to first type I, so it will be in a write mode. Okay, now you can write anything. Now you can write anything. Okay, now if you want to save this, just first press escape button, then shift colon and then WQ. Okay, so it will save here. So now if you want to see that file here, so you can see there's a random text. In previously it was not present there, you can't see this here then. Okay, so now you understood the difference between vi and touch command. Now come to less. Less is used, you have already know about a cat. Using cat you can only display the file content, you can't search anything. But using less, like file.txt. Okay, so what it will going to do, it will, like if you have a long file content, like having a very 1000 lines of things, and now you want to search something. Okay, so what you will going to do, like if you just colon, okay, what is it, okay, oh, okay, why this is happening. Okay, okay, let me close this terminal. Okay, this, okay, let me quit this. Okay, now I will use that. Yeah, so it will display the content of a file and search for a word, and the mode is like display the content of a file page by page. And touch, I have already explained you, touch will you create a empty file or update a timestamp of the existing file. Vi already explain you, open the vi text editor to edit a file. Now comes to make directory. What make directory will do, it will create a new directory. So using vi you are able to create a new file. Okay, now if now comes to, if you want to create a new folder, so you just need to use make directory, any folder, my folder. Okay, now created. Now you can see here my folder, then where it is present, my folder, my there. Yeah, here you can see this. If you want to go inside this folder, you can go using cd command. Okay, so now you can see this, nothing is here. So you can create a one folder or file, anything, like touch file 1.txt. Now go to, now you can see the file 1.txt is present here. So basically this is used to create a folder. Now comes to next pwd. It will basically print the current working directory path. Like if you write as pwd, what it will going to do, it will print the current path, like where you are present, so current location you can say in short. Now comes to cp. So if it will, what it will do, it will copy a file or a directory, just like okay, so basically cp will do, it will copy this one file's content into another file. Like I am in my folder, let's go to my folder. Okay, my folder. or you can see like cp. I want to copy file 1. Oh sorry, what file we have here, ls. Yes, so we have file.txt. You know the file. Let me show you the text of this file. I am good. Okay, so now what I will going to do, I will copy this file.txt content to my folder inside this file1.txt, because I haven't write anything inside this. Okay, so you just need to do. Okay, no such directory. My folder is there. Why it is happening? Is there? Why? Okay, let me show you here also. Cat file1.txt. There's nothing, so I will just try to copy this. Okay, cp. Now this content of file1.txt was copied in file1.txt. Now we will go to my folder. Now we will print this file1.txt. okay, now you can see the content of file.txt was printed in file1.txt. So basically cp is used to print the content of one file into another file. Now come to next, the mv. It is used to move or rename file in our directory. Like if you want to move this file.txt into this my folder, okay, just use mv file.txt into my folder. File, there is no file. Oh sorry, I am in my folder directory already. Okay, now you can see here there is no file.txt. okay, now we'll go to my folder. Now here you can see this file1 and file is already both are present. So basically move mv is a move command. So you know move is used to transfer anything from one place to another place. Okay, and rm is basically is remove. You can say remove. So for deleting any file, like I am here. Okay, now I want to delete this file1.txt. just use this. Now you can see there's a no file1.txt. now I want to remove file.txt. now you can see nothing is here. Now come to back. Now I want to remove this my folder. Okay, so rm cannot remove it. Okay, so we have, here is a strict, we have to forcefully rm. So yes, I have written here tc deleted file, that's first use rm for directory. So we have to use -r for directory, my folder. Yeah, now you can see there's a no my folder. You can't see my folder here. Okay, so for now that for today that is that all command we have covered. So in next video I will cover advanced commands. So for today, thank you so much.